Hello and welcome to Laurice's Far Out Kitchen. Did you just get home from the office and you need to get a meal together in under 30 minutes before your man gets home from the lumberyard? This one-pan taco skillet comes together in under half an hour from start to finish. So let's see what we're gonna need. This is all we're gonna need for our taco skillet. Instead of noodles, we're gonna be using soft flour tortillas, and these I am cutting into strips. We're browning the ground beef first, and then we'll be adding all the rest of these ingredients minus the cheese, which we'll be shredding and putting on top. So let's get started. This taco skillet a taste. Let's see if I can get a little of everything. Now I have put a little bit of sour cream on here and hot sauce. I love the tortilla noodles. Nice and cheesy.